Hey guys, it is Thursday here in West Virginia, and today is Thanksgiving, so wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. And we're kind of doing a little bit of a late video. Instead of Truckin' Tuesday, it's Truckin' Thursday. This is the truck that I recently picked up at Walmart that I wanted to show you guys. This is one of the latest square body 4x4s from M2. They have another one, it's a gray, like a charcoal gray, light metallic, almost like a matte finish. We did a video on it a couple weeks back. Maybe it hasn't even been that long, maybe a week or so ago. But then I found this one. I think this one was released before the gray one. And I found two of them. I picked up both of them. I sold this one. So that is one reason why I'm doing this video today. So I can get this shipped out to the new owner tomorrow. I have mine here sitting next to this, already unboxed, but I wanted to show you what one looked like in the box, and I didn't want to have to rebox mine. So anyways, this truck is limited to 8,000 pieces worldwide. There was no chase version of this truck. There's M2 Machines logo, GMC trucks, and this is a 1976 GMC Sierra Grande 15 4x4. And they started doing like square body truck on the front of a lot of these packages of their square bodies. I don't know if that's like their series, kind of like Authentics or Detroit Muscle or something like that. And then on the end caps, you always have like a little window cut in the flap so you can see the front, and it does have a chrome push bar. We'll look at it a little better on mine, the open one. Here, your Sierra Grande 15 GMC emblem, GMC there. Same thing on this end cap, and you have your circular M2 stickers sealing it closed. And this one I'm not going to open, but as I've showed you before, you can peel these up and not worry about tearing the paper. It works pretty good, especially on new ones. Now, if it's like 10 or 15 years old and you go to do this, you may risk tearing the paper. I don't know. But on ones that's been released within the past 2 years or so, as long as it's been in like room temperature, like type conditions for the whole time, you should be able to peel them right off without a problem. And these have J hooks in the flaps now, and they have a reinforcement like plastic thing put around here so it doesn't just tear. But I don't know, at a lot of Walmarts they still leave them in that box on the shelf, the little shipper box. On the bottom side, you have your choking hazards and all that other stuff, and all of your licensing and copyrights and such things like that. So that's the packaging. Now, the truck itself, here it is. Now, this is the first time I have a complaint about one of the 4x4 models from M2. And it's really not a big complaint, but mine, when I took it out, the cross member is loose from the frame. So it'll snap in there for a minute, but then it usually pops right back out. So nothing that a little glue, super glue or model glue won't fix. But usually these things are pretty much flawless. But I've noticed even on my gray one, there's a flat spot in the tire, but the axle really wasn't bent. And this one seems to be pretty good too with the axles. They're 4x4 models with the wheels and tires, axles and things. They do a pretty good job. I wish I could do that on their two-wheel drive vehicles. Don't know why that like 9 out of 10 of these do not get bent when they're put together, but the two-wheel drive vehicles, especially the Pro Street ones with the fat back tires and skinny fronts, it seems like 3 out of 3 get bent. If you get one that's not bent, it's like winning the lottery because it's like a common phenomenon with M2. So as you can see, we got the GMC on the tailgate, and you have your red acrylic taillight lenses and the chrome bumper, separate piece. You have your roll bar with dual fog lights on top, and then you have the big wide tubs in the bed. That's for their two-wheel drive Pro Street models. That's why they use this universal bed with these wide tubs and this high bed floor. And that high bed floor is one of the reasons why they do not have an opening tailgate on their models. All your trim is here. Your Sierra Grande emblem on the fender, your door handle, your emblem on the cab, and then your marker light on the front, detailed grille And once again, the chrome push bar, your marker lights are there. And then the hood does open, and it does open fairly good on mine. You see it's a small block truck, it looks like, with a snorkel air cleaner. It's nicely done. I like these wheels and tires, the chrome hole style wheels with the knobby off-road tires. Looks really good. And so yeah, it's a very nice model from M2. Once again, another one that I really do like. And now the hood won't close good. That's the problem with some of their opening parts. Once you open them, they don't close again. Or they don't open at all, and then the lines of the body and all that are off. So that's another bad thing about opening pieces from M2 machines, especially doors. I'm glad they do not put opening doors on these trucks. So guys, that's it for our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you do come across this one, if you're a truck fan or square body fan, I highly recommend it. And it is one of the latest releases, so you might find it at your Walmart this weekend while out Christmas shopping. So have a happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you this Friday for Free It Friday.